Extra resources. In this section, you will be able to find extra resources that can help you study for your TKT test. You will find video quizzes for the topics studied and vocabulary to reinforce your learning process. It is important to mention that this section is completely optional. Here you will have the videos that you can play and interact with. You will also find a glossary where you will be able to practice and learn new vocabulary. In the interactive glossary, you will be able to choose between playing games or study the vocabulary in the content. By clicking on the glossary, you will have access to choose in this corner if you want to play a game, learn the vocabulary, test yourself, or read the flashcards. By clicking on each of these options, you choose how you want to play or study each of these concepts and new words. Remember that this content is optional and it will not be graded or assessed in the course.